LUCKNOWI Chicken Dum Biryani. An amazing flavorful biryani recipe for you. Bring the Lucknowi Zakka now at home. Make this biryani and be showered with wah for it. This turned out so yum that my guest enjoyed it and asked me for its recipe. So how could I miss sharing with my audience? Please enjoy the making and don't forget to subscribe. This is a very unique style biryani. So let me take you through the steps of making it. We require 2 types of spice powdered mix for this recipe. 1 coarsely grinded and 1 finely grinded powdered mix. Let's make the coarsely grinded spice mix. We require 1 tablespoon of sawn fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of zira cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 black cardamoms, 12 green cardamoms, 1 Javatree mace. Dry roast them for 3 to 4 minutes or until it releases an aroma. Once cooled down completely, transfer it to a mixer grinder. To obtain a coarsely grinded spice mix. Let's make the finely grinded spice mix. Take 2 tablespoons of sawn fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of black pepper seeds, 10 green cardamoms, 3 black cardamoms, 1 Javatree mace, 1/4 piece of nutmeg jaffle, 3 long black peppers, 10 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, dry roast these for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it releases an aroma. Once cooled down, transfer it to a mixer grinder. Grind it to obtain a fine powdered mix. We'll be using 1 kilogram chicken, 1 kilogram of zira rice, small grain rice. To a cooking pot, add 1/2 a cup of desi ghee. To this, add 1/2 a cup of cooking oil. Take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add it to the hot oil. Stir fry the paste until the raw smell is gone. To this, add 1 Maggi chicken cube. 1 teaspoon of salt, add accordingly. Give it a good mix. To this, add the chicken. Stir fry the chicken in the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell is gone. To this, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Give it a good mix. We'll be requiring 300 milliliters of curds. Whisk it well until no lumps remain. Let the chicken stir fry for 7 to 8 minutes to get a good flavor. Add the curd to the chicken. Give it a good mix. Once the curd releases its water and starts to boil, add the coarsely grinded spice mix to it. Give it all a good mix. Add water to cook the chicken. Cover the lid and let the chicken cook. We require partially cooked chicken. On a low flame. Keep a plate and add 1 teaspoon of saffron to it. Once it's slightly roasted, it easily breaks down to smaller pieces. An amazing hack as it helps get distributed evenly. Add the saffron to 1/2 liter of milk. Give it a good mix. Boil until it releases its color into the milk. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Remove the partially cooked chicken pieces and keep them aside. Strain the chicken akhani masala. Carefully stir using a spoon. Discard the remaining masala. To the saffron milk, add the finely grinded spice mix powder and give it a good mix. To this add a few drops of Cura essence. Add a few drops of rose essence. Give it all a good mix. By adding the two, it enhances the flavor and aroma of the biryani. Add the milk mixture to the chicken gravy. Add the chicken to it. Allow this to continue cooking until it slightly reduces. To a cooking pot, add water to boil the rice. To this add 3 bay leaves. Add salt to taste accordingly. Once it comes to a boil, add in the soaked rice. Cook the rice just until it's 60% cooked. As you see, it's still hard in the center. Add the rice and cook on a high flame until it reduces. Keep a cooking pan on a low flame. Keep the cooking pot over it. When the water is completely reduced at this stage, cover the lid and let the rice cook in the steam. This takes around 10 to 15 minutes for steam to build up and the rice to be completely well done. There you go, our Lucknowi special chicken dum biryani is ready. I couldn't believe the results. It would turn out this amazing. A must-try biryani recipe if you are a biryani lover. Try this and you will make this for your next party. Please share and comment below if you enjoyed my recipe. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't go without subscribing to my channel, as I am coming with many more exciting recipes for you.